Cars without steering wheels, without pedals, without wheels. And even flying cars, the future of the automobile is already here. The automotive industry is undergoing one of the most profound revolutions since the invention of the modern car. With the push for artificial intelligence, autonomous driving and futuristic design, some of the world's most innovative brands are already developing vehicles with no steering wheel, no pedals and even completely hidden wheels. What seemed like science fiction a decade ago is now a reality in the testing or production phase. Below, we explore the most surprising models and concepts that are redefining what we mean by automobile. Vehicles without steering wheel and pedals, farewell to the traditional driver. 1. Tesla Cybercab announced in 2024, the Cybercab is Tesla's most ambitious project in the field of autonomous transportation. This robotaxi will be 100% autonomous, with no steering wheel, pedals or human driver. It is designed to offer safe and economical rides, transporting 2 passengers per ride. It will include wireless charging and a large screen for entertainment. 2. Zoox. Amazon's Zoox is a fully autonomous, bidirectional electric car without any manual controls. Its 4 seats facing each other in the form of a cabin allow passengers to travel in comfort while the vehicle drives itself. 3. Apple Project Titan. Although Apple has kept much of the details under wraps, leaks indicate that its autonomous vehicle will dispense completely with steering wheel and pedals, opting for a minimalist interior with voice control and touch screens. Models with hidden wheels, futuristic design and efficiency. 4. Rolls-Royce 103X. The Rolls-Royce 103X represents the luxury vision of the future. This concept car eliminates the steering wheel, pedals and completely hides the wheels within its aerodynamic bodywork. It is intended as a rolling saloon, driven by an artificial intelligence named Eleanor. What about flying cars? The future also points to the sky. Although they are not yet part of everyday life, flying cars are closer than we imagine. Several startups and large technology companies are developing functional prototypes that combine autonomy with flight capability. 5. Aleph model. A California-based Aleph Aeronautics has already received FAA approval for flight testing of its Aleph Model A, the first flying car with vertical takeoff and drive capability. Its design is similar to that of a futuristic car, but it can lift off and fly at low altitude for short distances. It is intended as a vehicle for urban air traffic, with deliveries planned from 2026. 6. Speng X2. China's Speng Aero HD, a subsidiary of Chinese manufacturer Speng, has developed the Speng X2, an all-electric 2-seater flying car that has already conducted public test flights. It has a futuristic design with no visible wheels and can fly autonomously, targeting the urban air cab market. 7. PAL V Liberty, Netherlands. This Dutch model combines car and gyrocopter, and has already been approved for road use in Europe. Although its appearance is more conventional, it has retractable wings and can take off from short runways. Deliveries are scheduled for the end of 2025. What does the next few years hold for us? Although these models are not yet available on a mass scale, actual tests are already underway. Companies such as Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Aleph and Speng are betting heavily on this new generation of vehicles. Governments are also starting to adapt traffic and airspace laws to allow their use in certain areas. It is likely that before 2030 we will see fleets of robotaxis without steering wheels or pedals driving on the ground and flying vehicles crisscrossing the sky in smart cities around the world. Conclusion: are we prepared for a driverless and roadless future? The car as we know it is ceasing to exist. The combination of artificial intelligence, aerial mobility and futuristic design is creating a new paradigm, vehicles that not only drive themselves, but can also fly. What was once a symbol of freedom behind the wheel is now transformed into an automated, comfortable and aerial experience. The cars of the future will no longer need your hands. And soon, they won't even need a road. Get ready, the future is not only starting up, it's taking off.